Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
Herätä.
To get up.
Nousta.
To brush teeth.
Harjata hampaat.
To wash face.
Pestä kasvot.
To have breakfast.
Syödä aamiaista.
To take a shower.
Käydä suihkussa.
To go to work.
Mennä töihin.
To go to school.
Mennä kouluun.
To study.
Opiskella.
To work.
Työskennellä.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.